Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a long-lasting paper airplane. Begin by selecting sturdy paper and trimming edges for symmetry. Fold deliberately, matching edges and creating tight creases with a fingernail or ruler. Reinforce high-stress areas by doubling small layers near the nose. Balance the plane by adjusting wing dihedral and tiny elevator bends. Test short throws and refine folds until the airplane glides smoothly and resists wear. Pick paper that feels substantial but not stiff, then square the sheet and trim any ragged edges. Pre-crease each major fold so final shaping is quick and precise, avoiding sloppy layers. Use a ruler or fingernail to press crisp creases that lock in place. Consider reinforcing the nose with a small folded tab rather than tape to keep balance steady. Small prep choices dramatically extend flight life and durability of your plane. Fold slowly and keep everything symmetric to protect the centerline of the design. Create a compact, slightly heavier nose by tucking extra paper inward rather than using external weight, which keeps balance predictable. Once basic shape is done, add tiny wing-up bends or elevators to tune glide without destabilizing the plane. Always test with gentle throws and observe how it responds before making the next precise adjustment for improved longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.